Hi everyone. Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you are fine. How is your preparation for competitive exams, especially JEE Mains, MSET, Advance? It's going good? Very good. So welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I am discussing about the mathematics of various examinations which are related to mainly JEE Mains, Advance, MSET, both TS and AP. This is a mostly helpful channel regarding the maths. Most of the students are worrying about the maths, fearing about the maths, but maths is not a difficult subject at all. It is very easy subject. Usually you can focus each and every topic, and also major weightage in maths. That's why you have to concentrate every topic with concept. If you know the concept as well as tips and tricks, it is a very easy subject. Easily can get the good marks from this mathematics. So in this channel I am going to deal various levels of examinations. What are the mainly various levels of examinations? Mainly I am discussing about the JEE Mains as well as Advance. JEE Mains as well as Advance. And secondly, I will teach the MSET. MSET both TS and AP. These are the 1 and 2. 1 and 2 both are competitive level of examinations, objective level of examinations. There will be short time. Within short time, we have to do the number of questions. This is possible when you are preparing thoroughly with tips and tricks. Within short period, you can focus the each and every question. Number of questions you can attempt, then you can get the best and better rank. Okay, are you ready to watch this video? Yes, I know you are ready always for your better progress. Now, mainly in this channel I am dealing the maths which is connected with JEE, Mains, Advance as well as MSET. MSET both TS and AP. So these are not only these two. We can introduce the 11th and 12th standard maths CBSE state as well as central syllabus. CBSE central syllabus as well as state syllabus. 11th and 12th standard. This is academic wise it will be. For this I will create one more channel. In that we can watch. This is 11th and 12th standard CBSE, means for central syllabus as well as a state syllabus mathematics with easy tips and tricks. Okay, so this video is completely introduction of my channel. What I am going to teach, what are the various regions I am covering regarding the maths, how it will be helpful to the students, what are the steps you have to take, what are the methods I am going to teach. We can watch this in this video. So, and I will teach the following types of methods of teaching in this channel. First of all, I will concentrate on weightage as well as pattern of consulted exam. Weightage, pattern of consulted exam. What are maybe exam you are focusing the MSET, maybe you are focusing the JEE Mains, Advance. For that I am explaining what is its pattern, what is its weightage approximately according to the previous year's analysis. That is mostly helpful to the students to concentrate for the revision. So that's why I will focus the each and every topic. I will explain detailedly as well as what is a pattern, weightage, pattern of consult exam will discuss. And also every topic, any topic if you choose. So I am going to teach every topic with the concept. Every topic with the concept. Concept is very important. Competitive examination point of view, they will give the number of questions in different angles. We can focus any question easily. You have to know the topic with the concept. No, not question to answer is not enough. You have to focus every topic with the concept. That's why I will teach with the concept. So that's why I will teach with the concept. and also I will use easy tips and tricks. I will use easy tips and tricks. You know, in competitive examination point of view, there will be short time. Within short time, you have to focus the number of questions. That is time factor there. To focus the number of questions, you have to follow the easy tips and tricks. This is mostly helpful to you. What are these easy tips and tricks? I will introduce in each and every topic in further videos. First, here I am explaining what are the methods of teaching. What are the methods of teaching means the steps I am going to teach in each and every topic I am introducing in this channel. Next, problem solving. You know, maths means what? It is 90% problem and 10% theoretical part. If you know the 10% theoretical part with the concept, tips and tricks, we can do the 90% of problems with different models with easy methods. Problem solving with different models with easy methods, including previous year's analysis, previous year's examination paper solving. So that is also most important to focus the students. So focus the subject. That is most important. Problem solving. That is a problem solving. When we know the problem solving easily, if you know the different models with easy methods, then only can solve the number of questions, number of problems easily. Next, you know, if you do the, if you know the concept, you do the number of questions, but that's not enough. We have to put it in the practice. For that, we have to focus on worksheets, otherwise assignments. So this will be provided. So what are the worksheets and assignments I will provide when I am going to start the concept of the content. When I am going to start the content, there only can get the idea. Worksheets and assignments, these are most helpful to you for subject revision. What is the stage of your topic, that is that one you can get by the worksheets as well as assignments. So this is also most helpful to you. Next, if you did the number of questions, so you solved the number of questions, so you did worksheets, so assignments, etc. But that's not enough. What is your stage? You can get by the only testing. Testing each topic partly or fully. Testing each topic partly means for sometimes the topic is lengthy. I will conduct only part wise. Not some part I will conduct. Otherwise, a small topic is there, I will take fully. So that is testing of each topic partly and partly or fully. This is also most helpful to you. Then only you have to get your stage in that topic. So now all these points are very, very important. At the same time, you know, mainly doubts clarification. Mainly doubts clarification. We are going to teach either any topic, maybe in weightage, maybe concept, maybe tips and tricks, maybe problem solving, whatever may be, I am going to teach in that. Maybe have the doubts. The doubts also will clarify. That one is most helpful to you. We can revise the subject easily. This is mainly doubts clarification also. I will take care. These are the major steps I am going to teach in this channel I have discussed here. So I hope so it is understanding, it is helpful to you. If you like this one, you can please share and subscribe. This is Lakshmi from Maths Super Tips and Tricks. Bye. Take care.